So what's good everyone, welcome back again another video on our channel YouTube Advice Hub. So if you are viewing me for the very first time, then make sure you go and subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to keep yourself updated. So in today's video I'm going to talk about bibliophiles. Bibliophiles are the ones who love to read books, that is a book reader or book lovers. So I'm going to talk about them today because many of you out there who are book lovers, they have heard that you guys are unsocial, you guys are introvert, you guys are having a questioning habit which is irritating for the others. But guys, you should know that you are actually doing a great job and you should be proud of yourself. So I'm going to discuss about your habits, that why book lovers are somewhat different than that of others. So stay tuned to this video till end. I hope you will enjoy it. Point number one, book lovers are calm in nature. Book lovers are calm in nature in the sense that if you have a friend around you who is a book lover, you will see that they are much more relaxed, they are much more calm. They are calm because they are relaxed from inside. They read book every day, and it's scientifically proven that if you read book every day, you will get a satisfaction and relaxation from inside, which will ultimately feel you much more calm, much more satisfied from inside. So read books every day and you will be calm as them. Book lovers are generally a good listener. Book lovers are generally good listener because when you try to read a content in the book, you completely focus in the content, and which ultimately make your mental focus much more stronger than that of others. So if you are reading book every day, it is improving your mental focus, and thus when you are speaking to others, you will also reduce in the habit that I should speak first, I should tell others. You will improve your ability to listen more and to speak less. Thus it will help you in a lot of situation and saving yourself in a lot of complicated situation that you face in day-to-day life. Readers are very much patient. When you start reading a book and when you want to end the book, that takes a lot of time, right? So they goes through different pages, they goes through each and every pages and read the book very minutely. So if you want to read the book very minutely, you need some time to complete the book. So that develop the skill of being patient in themselves. So try to read book every day at least for 6 minutes, as I suggested from the beginning. That helps you developing in your skills of being patient in each and every situation of your life, and being patient is a vital point that you need every point of your life. It's the last point but not the least, book lovers are very much good lovers. Book readers are good lovers in the sense that when they go through a book, they goes through different types of character, which makes them open-minded. So when they goes out in real life and they meet with different pupils, they see and they face different characters, and when they study in the book, they also face different characters, which helps them in adjusting with different types of people. And when they love someone, they may be of different character, they may be of in different nature, but they always accept that character because they have a practice in the book of accepting different types of character. And so that's enough of today's video, guys. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If yes, then make sure you go and subscribe to my channel. And the book lovers and the book readers out there, guys, you guys are amazing. Those who say you are unsocial, you are very much introvert, let them say, because they don't know what you are actually capable of. And you guys are, trust me, you guys are amazing, and I love those who love reading books. So guys, that's my message that I want to share through this video. If you like the video, make sure to share with your friends and families and let them know that actually book readers are amazing. So that's enough of today's video. If you like this video, make sure to go and subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to keep yourself updated. Share this video, comment down your thoughts, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until next time, it's from Shivam. Goodbye.
Hold me close till I get